Hello, welcome back to my channel, Lesson I Learned, My Story, His Glory. Today I want to talk about retirement. A lot of us don't usually think about it, especially if you're enjoying your workplace and you have a very good benefits and you have so-called balanced life. But some, they don't have plan to retire, like me. I'm not retired yet, but I've been thinking about it a lot. Like, what would be my life once I retired? Will my hobby be a good game changer in my life after retirement? I believe it's really important to know at least the plan and the steps when you're thinking about retirement. I just want to share some insight that I plan to apply in my own life, and I hope they can help you as well. Why preparing early matters. Retirement can feel far away when you're busy with work, but times move faster than we realize. Preparing early isn't just about money, it's about freedom, peace of mind, and living a life that truly matters when you stop working. The earlier you start, the more option and security you'll have for your future. But this is case to case basis. My case is different from your case. Advice number one, build the habit of saving. This is one of the most important thing. Saving consistently while you are still working. You don't need a huge salary. Even a small percentage of what you earn every month can grow into something significant over time. The key is consistency, making it a habit now. This is much more powerful than trying to save a lot later on. Advice number two, protect your health. Health truly is a wealth. No matter how much you save, retirement won't be enjoyable if your body isn't in good shape. So exercise, eat well, have a good sleep, manage stress, and get regular checkup. If you have medical insurance, use them. Go to doctor, visit them. Your future self will thank you for every small health choice you make today. Advice number three, live below your means. Learning to live below your means is another key. It doesn't mean giving up happiness. It means living smart, spending less than you earn. Also, you can put aside some money to pay off part of your debt. This will give you freedom later on and allows you to save for the future. That small daily choices add up over the years. Advice number four, explore skills and hobbies. Retirement isn't just about stopping work, it's about starting a new chapter of meaningful life. Start exploring skills or hobbies you might want to enjoy later. For me, I really love crafting. I've even sold some of my handmade items before, and I'm planning to slowly get back into it while I'm still working. So whether it's learning a new craft, starting a small side business, or traveling, building this interest now gives you an option and keeps your life exciting. Advice number five, strengthen your relationship. Money is important, but relationships are priceless. Spending quality time with family, friends, and your community is one of the most rewarding things you can do. A strong support system makes retirement not just bearable but joyful. Advice number six, make a simple plan. Finally, have a plan, even a small one. Ask yourself, how much do I want to save? How much can I save every month? What lifestyle do I want later? Even a rough plan, just jot it down, put it in your notebook or your notes. It brings clarity, reduces stress, and gives you control over your future. So these are the plans and ideas I have in mind as I'm preparing for my retirement. I hope they help you start thinking about your future too. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's prepare for a better, more peaceful future together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!